guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first YouTube video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get interesting videos on art and craft every week, especially on Saturdays. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need to follow this tutorial is a sketchbook, a drawing copy or a white sheet of paper. The next thing is watercolor, the most important one. I have used watercolor cakes here from Dom's, and the next one is a spray. I'm going to use this to activate the watercolor cakes, but this is totally optional if you have watercolor in liquid form or in tubes. The next one is an eyedropper. It also being used to activate the watercolor cakes. This is also totally optional. The next thing is tissue paper, which I'm going to use to absorb the extra water or just to clean the edges. The next thing is a round brush. This is very important as you are going to draw the petals and the stem with this. And the next one is a flat brush. This is totally optional, but if you have it, then you can use it to draw the stems. I have not used it in the tutorial, but still, if you have, you can use it. The next thing is 2 containers of water. This one would be used to clean the brushes, and this one is going to be used to use the watercolor. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so let's start our first flower. For that, I'm going to draw a stem from the tip of the brush, just like this, and I'm going to rotate my paper just for the ease. You can randomly draw any stem. So now I'm going to draw the flower. For that I'm going to take take a pink color for the flower. The same I'm going to draw with the tip of the brush, like that. Okay, so this was our first flower. For our next flower, I am going to take magenta color. It's kind of like a dark pink. So with this, I am going to draw the front view of a rose. For that, start with the dot, then draw a crescent moon with the brush around the dot, and then go on to draw some layers around the petals. Don't need to draw the same as I am doing. It can be very different from mine. Don't worry how your rose looks like. Just draw where you want to. As my color went a bit lighter, I've taken the color once again. Now I'm going to take the rose petals and draw it on just one side. Try not to do it all on all the sides. Just try to make it like it's falling downwards. So now I'm going to draw the stem and the petals with a dark green color from the tip of the brush. I've drawn the stem with a straight line. Now I'm going to draw the leaves. Only one leaf is enough. You can draw it the same as on the top view. So it was the second flower. So I'm going to draw the third flower right now. I'm again going to take a magenta color. Okay, so it's going to be a 3-petal flower. This time I'm going to draw it with the whole body of the brush. So it was the first flower. This is the second petal. And this one was the third petal. As the color was lighter on the side, so I am going to fill it up with the color on the brush. I'm going to add a stem with the same dark green color. And a leaf. Thank you.